Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I recently did a video unboxing the AirTags, actually as soon as they were released, and I got a 4-pack. One went to my wife, another one went in my backpack, and the other two are just sitting here. And the biggest problem with that is just not having any place to attach them to. So, I mean, yes, Apple does have their own holder, but it is crazy expensive, especially if you've got 4 of them. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the Belkin options. So this is the secure holder with strap and the secure holder with keyring. Basically, these I think are around 10 bucks a piece, as opposed to the $30 or $40 a piece for the Apple ones. So we're just going to take a look at these. Basically, this is going to go on my keys. This is going to go on my backpack. Currently, the one on my backpack is actually just inside a pocket. It'll be nice to actually have a home for it. So that's what we're going to do today. Is we're going to go ahead and unbox these and set it up to be used with my keys. So let's go ahead and unbox the key ring first. Like I said, these are a little bit more than 10 bucks a piece. I'm sure there's going to be lots of other off-brand ones. I have no idea how they can get away with charging what they are, except for having no other options. So what we're going to do apparently is put the AirTag in between these two plastic pieces. Yes, I did say plastic because that's all they are. It's just 2 pieces of hard plastic. And then we've got a key ring that we will use and attach to the keys. And that's that. So let's go ahead and get an AirTag. Like I said, I have not set all of these up yet. I've only got the 2 set up thus far. So we'll go ahead and take this one right here. I'll go ahead and set this up and I'll be right back. All right, so that took no time. As you can see, I've got my keys here ready to go. I went ahead and got this set up. So now all we're gonna do is open that up like that with a twist. And we'll see if it matters. Yeah, so it does matter what direction the AirTag goes in, and it should just fit pretty easily there. And then this, just got to find the ring. There we go. And then that just goes like that. And that's it. Now we are all set up. We're in the ring. I'm not going to use the piece that was provided, only because, as you can see, I've got a ton of keys on my keyring here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on this guy, and I will be ready to go. So that's really it as far as how to set it up. Like I said, it is just hard plastic. Maybe not that one. That one's not being my friend. Yeah, so it basically will go on any of your normal key rings, as you can see, right, like that. So that's all there is to it. There is nothing else. It's just like any other, it'll just hang on there. The only thing that worries me is, this is just hard plastic, and this metal piece here on the AirTag will definitely get scratched, but oh well, what are you gonna do, right? Yeah, so it will find it. Oh, so that just came apart on me. That's not instilling confidence. There we go. It is just hard plastic. So hopefully that'll stay. Yeah. If I have any problems with it, I will put a comment down in the description so you guys know. That does not instill confidence that AirTag is going to stay in that hard plastic, but we will see. All right, so that piece aside, we now have the our secure holder with strap, which I believe is actually just the same as the other one. And it is. So basically, we've got the strap here that will go through that same bit of plastic. That's all it is. It's the exact same thing. Man, Belkin's making out a lot. I mean, because this piece of plastic here is maybe 30, 40 cents for them. And this tag, let's just say 50 cents. So less than $1, and they're selling it for over 10 bucks. I don't know. Good on them. So that's really it. I mean, I'm not going to go ahead and put the other AirTag in there, but this just feeds right in here. And then you'll do the same thing, putting this on the strap of your bag. And that's it. Wow. I don't know how I feel about it. Don't feel good. Anyways, I'll leave links. I mean, it's just so if you are interested, down in the description. It does help the channel if you do end up buying them through those links. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you. And with that, have a great day.